Stop by and take a look at the 2016 500. The Fiat 500 offers exciting models infused with style, technology, and convenience features to make life on the go more personalized and comforting. And with so many original ways to personalize every Fiat 500, your individuality will be recognized wherever you go and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, heated passenger seat. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.